In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste a YouTube video in Google Slides. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to take any video you'd like from YouTube and seamlessly integrate it into your presentation. To start off, you'll need to sign into Google Drive. Navigate to the Google Drive page. Here you'll be prompted to type in your email and password. Once you've entered this information, go ahead and click Next. This step ensures that you have access to your Google Slides among other Google Drive resources. If you haven't already got a presentation open, now is the time to either open an existing one or start a new project. Next, you'll want to select the specific slide where you'd like the YouTube video to appear. Simply click on that slide within your presentation. It's important to place your video exactly where you want it to go for the best flow in your presentation. Following that, click on the Insert option located at the top menu of the screen. This is going to bring up various options related to what you can insert into your slide. From the list that appears, look for and click on the Video option. This leads us directly to inserting a YouTube video into our slide. At this point, you'll be prompted to paste the YouTube video link. So head over to YouTube, find the video you want to include in your slide, and copy the URL of that video from your browser's address bar. Then return to Google Slides and paste the link into the designated field. This step is crucial as it links directly to the video you want to showcase in your presentation. After pasting the link, click on the video that appears below the search bar or in the By URL tab if it didn't automatically populate. This action will select the video for insertion into your slide. By clicking on the video, you're essentially telling Google Slides, "This is the video I want to use." The final step is simply to click on Insert at the bottom of the video selection window. Voila! Your YouTube video is now embedded in your slide. You can click and drag the corners of the video to resize it or move it around until it's exactly where you want it on the slide. One last tip, after inserting the video, you might want to play around with its playback options. Google Slides allows you to set the video to autoplay when you reach that slide during your presentation, and you can even hide the video until it plays. These options can be found by right-clicking on the video once it's inserted. And there we have it. You've successfully pasted a YouTube video into your Google Slides presentation. This not only makes your presentation more engaging, but also allows you to utilize multimedia resources to support your message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to save your presentation to keep all your changes.